Welcome back, everybody. Brad Pseudo, the original hipster, coming to you with, you guessed it, another unboxing. This time, I'm going to give you guys a chance to guess what I may be unboxing today. So, none other than McFarlane, Superman, and Krypto from the new movie, and this is the Deluxe Theatrical Edition. I have confessions to make. I have been stressing and obsessing over this figure. I did a lot of research to see what was the best figure for the best price point. You can beat the quality, the articulation of the action figures that McFarlane has, especially for that price point. This is about the $35 range. I've been to multiple Walmarts and to multiple GameStops, and I have not been able to find one. I went out of town this weekend, about 2 hours away from Orlando, and I had a good feeling that I was going to find something there, and I did. They had plenty of Superman. They also had Ultraman here, and I will be unboxing this guy at a later video as well. And I bought an extra Superman for sale because if I had a hard time finding one, I'm sure other people will. All right, let's hop to it. I cannot afford some of the expensive high-end action figures like In Art or Mayfex, amongst other ones. Those figures are incredibly beautiful. I can't wait to get my hands on one because I like to see how it compares as far as the scale goes with other figures, but the articulation and the posability, which is my biggest issue with some of these action figures, that they don't look good. But for any of those toy makers out there, feel free to send me one. I'd love to do a video on that as well. I love this image in the back over here. Very colorful, very comic bookish. So I'm gonna try to do my best and not ruin that box. As always, like any McFarlane toy, you have the card there, and then you also have the stand. As I mentioned, this one has Krypto with them, just one figure Krypto. It's got the new Superman, and then it does come with 3 face plates and then 2 hands that are kind of like the flying hand. The other 2 are, so one is a face and the other one sort of like open hand to caress or play with Krypto. The 2 out of the 3 faces look very similar, these 2 here. So I don't know what the deal was with that. One's a little bit more serious than the other. But I wish there would have been like one with the eyes closed or something like that whenever he's recharging or playing. If you guys haven't seen the movie yet, I'm not going to spoil it for you, but it is an awesome movie. I think that they did a really good job bringing this universe back to life. They did a really good job. I think Krypto and Mr. Terrific were the ones that stole the show, really. I went over to the entertainment section because that's where they keep now the McFarlane toys. And they had a bunch there. They had Lex Luthor. They had 2 types of Mr. Terrifics. They also had Ultraman. And that was it. Just those 4. And I'm so excited, dude. I cannot wait to start taking photos with this guy. I'm already touching the gape, and it feels so cool. Eyes up here. The movie was so good. The casting was great. The comedy was great. Introduction to other characters were great. And that's all that I'm going to say. It's super cool. God, just a great figure all around. Yeah, a lot of the complaints from others is that there isn't too much of a lookup flexibility. Same thing with like his crunch. So on flying, it doesn't really look like that good. I've seen people take the head off and then trim a little bit on the back of the neck fat. back here, so then you're able to like look up and things like that. I'm interested to see how the face removals work. So I've never seen really a face plate like that before. That is just like, you know, part of that. This is what it looks like without it. It's kind of scary. His suit, it's pretty cool. Very close. I don't think the blue is the same, but I think still it looks great. The trunks were I think were a good call and a good move. Gives a little bit more of a like authenticity and look a little bit different from all the other Superman suits. I know that this movie got a little bit of slack being compared to Man of Steel, which I rewatched the other day. They were good movies, of course. A little bit dark, you know, but still good. This is campy. This was funny. It made people laugh. There was, you know, things for pretty much for everybody there. And this dog was awesome. He was such a good part of the movie. Really, really cool. I am actually making a small cape for my dog. I have a very tiny toy poodle. His name is Einstein, and we're gonna make him his own Superman cape because it kind of looks like Krypto. And yeah, see, I wish he was a little bit more, that he'd be able to like look up, but he really can't. Overall, I'm super happy with it. I couldn't wait to play with him, so I don't think I could be disappointed. So let me see if I can. Yeah, I might have to do something for his face. I'm not really liking the fact that he can't like look up per se. Let me put the other hand on. Hi. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, my name is Ratsudo, the original hipster. I came to you with another unboxing. Make sure that you follow, like, and share. And we'll see you soon in another DC Universe near you.